In this video I am going to show you how to make double exposure layer masking in Photoshop 2022. Now you are going to make layer masking of this picture, so get ready and just follow my instruction. First of all, press Ctrl+N to open a new artboard. Copy all the sizes I have entered in and press Create. This is the new artboard. Press Ctrl+O to open a new document and select the file and press Open. This is the JPEG file and you have to convert it in PNG format. In simple words, you have to remove the background. Press Select on the top of the bar and press Select and Masking option, or you can press the shortcut key Alt+Ctrl+R. Now increases the transparency to 50% and select Subject. It will take some time to remove the background. Press OK. Drag and drop the image to artboard you just create. Press Ctrl+T to resize the image. Place it in center of the artboard. Again, press Ctrl+O to open a new image. Select the image and press to open. Drag and drop the forest image to main artboard. Resize the image and place it according to men's head. Press Alt and click in between the both layers to make a clipping mask. Change the blending mode to lighten. Pick the brush and select the black color. Paint where you want the forest image to be shown. Select Eraser tool to erase the extra image on the eyes of the man. Now select the eyedropper tool to select the color. Unlock the background layer and fill the color with brush tool. Again, drag and drop the forest image in the artboard and place it beside the men's head. Change the opacity to 30%. Now right-click on the top bar and select Open Document. Select the image and click on Open. Remove the background by clicking on Select option on the menu bar. Click on the Select and Masking option to remove the background. Click on the Select Subject option. It will automatically remove the background. Press OK to continue. Drag and drop image to the working artboard. Change the layer location. Place it on the top layer. Remove the extra birds and resize them. Now the picture is almost done. Select the first layer and press Shift key on your keyboard and click on the last layer. This will select all the layers, and press Ctrl+E to merge the layers. Now click on the Filter option and select Camera Raw Filter, otherwise you can use the shortcut key Shift+Ctrl+A. Now click on the Effect option, change the vignetting amount to -30%. Change the midpoint to 30%. Change the roundness to +50%. Change the feather to 50%. Press OK to continue. Now the picture is done. If you learned something new from this video, you are free to subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for more interesting videos. I will meet you in my next video, so till now keep practicing to be pro in your life.